Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 152. If we start with this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column now, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. I don't see any help, so 1, 6, 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 6, 8 and 6 here. So this is our 1, 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. And I don't see any help. So 4, 7. 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 9. 7 here, so 4, 9. Same here, 4, 9. So the only place the 7 can be in that row is here. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering here and a 6 covering here, so our 6 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this row then, we're missing 2, 8, and 9, and the 8 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. And that 4 makes this our 7, 4. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.